All right, so today we're talking about Miguel's hair from Cobra Kai Season 4, which I just finished watching. I'm not going to give any spoilers, but oh my gosh, it's so addicting. Like, I binged watched like 6 episodes. So definitely check it out. But I'm already getting loads of requests asking about Miguel's hair. So the first thing I want to go over is, what do you say to your stylist? What do you say to your barber? Download on your phone pictures of his hair, the way that his hair looks in a certain scene, whatever it is. Download a photo of that so you can show them and simply say, this is what I'm looking for. You don't have to tell them how long, it's just many inches, whatever. Just show them a photo. If a professional cannot duplicate that, then it's time to find somebody new. Everyone's so hung up on, what are the measurements? What's this? What's that? It's like you're telling a chef how to cook your favorite dish. He probably knows or she knows how to do that, so let him do it. So just show photographs and make sure you have the right hair type for it. So let's talk about hair type. This mannequin right here, this mannequin that I'm showing you has perfectly straight hair. All right, this mannequin does not have any sort of natural wave, natural anything. It's literally all the haircut, right? It's the entire haircut, and it's the product. That is how you're going to achieve this type of hairstyle, okay? It's all of that combined into one. So it is, pretty much a side part haircut, which from most of the show, you see him, he's got like a side part going on, okay? And the back and the sides are very grown out. Even the sideburn area, he's got like longer sideburns. It's a very kind of grown out haircut, which you can achieve simply by just growing out your hair. If you've got a shorter haircut, just grow it out. And the key is to have some light layering, right? But the layering usually is like in through this part, in through here, right? Down in through here. And that's what gives it that texture. That's what gives it the kind of flow look, but without having it too short, because this hair has to come down. So yes, I will say that this is the length. A good length is probably to like the bridge of the nose right into here, because when his hair goes back like this, then it comes over. If it's too short, then it's just not going to look right, okay? So you have to have, some length to it. You can't just take this and chop it really short. You have to have this long enough for this to go back. So just make sure whoever's cutting your hair that they're not cutting the front too short. And there is some length throughout the sides here. The back, I would say it's probably about 2.5 inches or so in through here. Also in through here, and the top is a good, I'd say about 4.5 to 5 inches long, right? And that's it. So it's a side part, some slight layering in through here, definitely some tapering and blending in through here so that the top comes down a little bit longer, and that's how you're able to get that. Now, the next thing is how do you style it? And I'm gonna tell you the number one product I'm gonna suggest is Tidal Wave. The reason is because Tidal Wave, it's my number one selling product, and a sea salt spray. When you spray this in the hair, it's gonna give the hair a texture that it normally doesn't have. And with Miguel's hair, I noticed that there is a lot of texture to it. And you've got the sides and the back kind of, sticking up a bit and flipping out. The best way to do that is with this. If you use just water, the water, your hair eventually is gonna dry, but there's gonna be no sort of hold or texture. With the sea salt spray, with Tidal Wave, what's gonna happen, as you can see through here, it's gonna wet the hair down first of all, but it's gonna wet it down with product that you need in order to create that shape or that style that you're looking for, that separation. Also, it gives it kind of a textured look and feel to it, because the sea salt spray, it's adding some volume, it's adding a little bit of definition to the hair, and that's really what his hair is all about. It's not perfect. It's a little bit, like I said, it looks like a grown out haircut, and that's what I love so much about it. So if you are interested in purchasing any of my products, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, and you get 20% off and free shipping in the United States on orders with a value over $50. Let me know if you are watching Cobra Kai, if you've seen it, and if you like his hair. Are you planning on maybe having a hairstyle like this for 2022? Let me know, and I appreciate you all watching. I'll see you soon.